In this video, we are going to look at the progress report on the creation of Anioma State from the present-day Delta State. Anioma State is one of the states, in fact, the only state that this channel is supporting in the quest for the creation of a new state from the southeast, and to balance the equation in the structure of our federation. And there's a good and positive report over the creation of Anioma State campaign, which is led by the senator that sponsored the bill for it, Senator Ned Nwoko. There's a positive report coming from it, from that angle, and that is what we're going to talk about right away in this video. And this is because Ned Nwoko has personally written to the 109 senators in the National Assembly on the need for them to support the creation of Anioma State, which is the equity state. And it's not only that he has gotten 85 senators so far who have signed to support the creation of Anioma State. It is also the fact that some Southeast traditional rulers have also endorsed the creation of Anioma State. It was a very impressive development. And we also need more Southeast traditional rulers. When I look at the traditional rulers that have backed it, I want to see the Obi of Onitsha being at the center of the quest for the creation of Anioma State. He needs to give it support. And all the other top traditional rulers in the Southeast, they need to back it up. They need to support Ned Nwoko in his quest for Anioma State. And you know that it was Ned Nwoko who is representing Delta North that presented the bill, Senate Bill number 481, a bill seeking to establish Anioma as Nigeria's 37th state, carved out of Delta State. And Ned Nwoko personally wrote to each senator. We have about 109 senators in Nigeria. He has written to all of them personally, requesting for them to support the creation of Anioma State. Right now, 85 senators have said they will back the creation of Anioma State. And we pray that more senators should back Ned Nwoko's quest. And I expect even the senators from the Southeast that they should be at the forefront in supporting Anioma State. I know there are other requests for state creation from the Southeast. I think those other ones, unless they want to create more than 2 states from the Southeast, I think Anioma should be the number one, the most important of all state creation requests from the Southeast. And I will tell you why later on. But this is a good development. Now, in the letter that Senator Ned Nwoko wrote to his colleague senators, he stated that this is not merely about redrawing lines on a map. It is about fairness, inclusion, and giving the Southeast the same structural balance that other regions enjoy. Anioma State will not only correct this imbalance, but also deepen our national unity by responding to a legitimate and long-standing grievance of the Igbo people. End of quote. That's an excerpt from the letter that Ned Nwoko wrote to senators seeking their support for the creation of Anioma State as part of the constitutional review process in Nigeria. Now, Ned Nwoko was saying that the need for Anioma State is because of imbalance in our federal structure. All the other geopolitical zones, they have 6 states, and even Northwest has 7 states, but only the Southeast has 5 states. Okay, so with what Ned Nwoko is doing, when you join about 9 local government from Delta State that make up Anioma, you are reuniting Delta with their kings and queens in the Southeast. It will make the Southeast a larger geographical space. You find out that Southeast benefits more by having Anioma joining it as part of the Southeast geopolitical zone. Southeast is not going to benefit much, except for the individuals who are campaigning for it, if you create other states within the Southeast. Okay, that's why I support, and this channel will support, creation of Anioma State, because it's going to give the Southeast a larger geographic space when Anioma becomes part of the Southeast geopolitical zone. You understand? For instance, look at the other states that are being agitated from the Southeast. We have Olu State. Olu State is to be carved out from Imo, Abia, and Anambra. Does that add any geographic value to the Southeast geopolitical zone? No, it's still the same land space that will just be carved out to create Olu State. It will be carved out from Imo, Abia, and Anambra. That's a request that is there. Okay. Then you will have another request for state from Southeast known as Etiti State. Etiti State is to be carved out from Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo. Now, this is the same people, the same Southeast zone. What it means is just they will carving out the same set of people within the same geographic location. Nothing really added except for the benefit of some political interests, who maybe somebody who is pushing for it may become a governor. It will be easier for somebody to become a governor in a Etiti State. Somebody who couldn't be governor in Anambra, who couldn't be governor in Ebonyi. Maybe when they carve that, that's personal to those who are proposing for this. I've nothing against them for wanting to bring development closer to their people, okay? Then you have Adada State. This Adada State is to be carved out from Enugu State. But Anioma State is the only state being requested from the Southeast that will actually add value to the Southeast. This is not only that these 9 local government from that constitute Anioma, about 7 of them are oil producing local governments. It's not that Southeast doesn't have oil producing, so it's not because of oil. Let this not be misinterpreted. But it's to show you that what Anioma is bringing to the table to the Southeast is to be a contributor to the development of the region. And Anioma is not going to be a liability. It's going to be a blessing to the Southeast. An addition, widening of the geographic space of the Southeast, which is very critical, which is very important, okay, to the Southeast as a people and to the Igbos as a race. That to me is far more critical, far more important. That is why if there is any state at all that should be created between Olu State Etiti State, Adada State, and Anioma. Anioma should be the pursuit of the Igbo race when it comes to new state creation. After Anioma is in the bags, another time Olu State can be created, Etiti State can be created, Adada State can be created. But for now, Ned Nwoko need the support of not just all the senators from Southeast and all the senators from Nigeria. It also needs the support of the top traditional rulers in the Southeast, most especially the Obi of Onitsha and all the other top Igwes that we have around in the region, to ensure that whatsoever Ned Nwoko needed, whatsoever support that he needed to succeed in the creation of Anioma State, that he doesn't have any problem getting such a support. I think Ned Nwoko deserves all the applause he's getting for his efforts, and that is a state that everybody should support his creation. And the report so far, so good, is that there is a very good progress in that respect. So if there is anything anyone can do to support Ned Nwoko, any kind of campaign that can be done, let us all support Ned Nwoko to ensure that he succeeds in the creation of Anioma State, the equity state. I think that is a project that deserves commendation for the man who is pushing for it. And it's a project that should be supported to succeed. It will reunite the people of Igbo race in the Delta and the whole of the Southeast region of Nigeria. I don't know what to think about the creation of Anioma State as the equity state, the way Ned Nwoko beautifully put it. Whatever is your position on the creation of Anioma State and the creation of other states within the Southeast zone, which one do you think should be paramount to the people of the Igbo race as the quest for creation of more states in Nigeria continue? Which one do you think should be given more preference between Olu State, Etiti State, Adada State, and Anioma State? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.